everyone, I'm showing how to make dosa. This is the batter. The rest of the batter I have stored it in the fridge. So this is the amount of batter that I require to make few dosas today for us in the breakfast. And I have a pan here that is heating. Yeah. So, as you can see, I am taking a spoonful of batter, a little more, and then spread it. I'm doing the video in my phone, so I'm holding the phone with one hand and doing it. That's the reason. And since my son likes some onion on this, I'm adding some onions for him because he doesn't really eat it with the sabzi, and the desired amount of this is the onion, and I'm going to add some butter chunks here. This is the butter I just taken out of the fridge, so it's a bit hard. Just add some butter and spread it. I can't make bigger dosa than this because only up till here I don't want to crowd the pan, and also that the heat. See it now. I'm going to flip it. See that there? Here's the dosa. Let the onion brown. It's done. I'm going to take it off the pan. And there. There's another dosa here. And also, after you take out the batter, after the batter has fermented, once you add the salt, mix it. When you're making dosa, you need to add some water to it to make it a little bit of thinner consistency, because if we are using the same batter for idli and dosa, so the dosa batter doesn't have to be very thick. It is of this consistency, the flowing consistency. And for idli, you don't have to add anything. You can just directly scoop out the batter as is and make idlis. I'll show you that in another video. Here is another dosa. Onion here. You can add even the shredded the shredded carrot to this, and capsicum. If you like it that way, you can make a lot of varieties with dosa. Just one batter, you can make endless combinations. Some add grated beetroot too. Then flame, let it melt. This is what it is. You can hear that sizzling sound. Let it cook for a while. Just make sure the tawa is hot. If it gets too hot in the process of making dosa, you can just sprinkle some water on the tawa so it cools down, it brings down the temperature of the tawa, and then you can go ahead and pour the batter and then spread it around. I'm gonna flip this up now. It's that easy. I'm not sure because how the clarity is, because it's not justifying the color, the nice orangish color of the dosa here. Yeah, I hope now it looks better. Yeah, I need to learn more about the settings and everything. Hold it. Ready to be served now.